Assalamu alaikum, dear folks. In a new episode, in this episode we would be discussing regarding the child labor laws. Dear folks, according to Constitution of Pakistan 1973, Article 11 states that a child under the age of 14 years of age, under 14 years, he will not be engaged in a forced labor, will not be engaged in any workplace, will not be engaged for any work pertaining to slavery, or practices which involve slavery, which involved forced labor. According to Article 25 of the Constitution, a child of 5 years of age up to 16 years of age would attain education. He will not be engaged in any work taking place at any workplace. uh, According to Punjab Domestic Workers Act 2019, a child up to 15 years of age will not be engaged, will not be indulged into any form of domestic household work or course. According to Punjab Neglected Destitute Children Act 2004, a child below the 18 years of age will not be engaged in any work which is tantamount to abandoning which is tantamount to abandoning his nourishment. He will not be engaged in any brothel workplace. He will not be engaged in any practices such as seeking arms privately or in a public domain. He will not be allowed to beg on roads or streets. So any such practice, if a child is engaged in such practices, uh, action would be taken against his parents, or that child can be taken into custody by the Punjab Child Protection Welfare Bureau. So these are the laws pertaining to child labor. But unfortunately, 22 million children are out of the school in Pakistan. That is one of the highest ratio across the globe as far as children out of the school are concerned. So we really need to pull up our socks, and especially the government instrumental agencies, Child Protection Welfare Bureau, secretaries, school education, Ministry of School Education, really need to prop up their efforts in order to clamp down upon such practices which involve child begging, child slavery, human trafficking, children trafficking. So such practices should be clamped down, and and the government should take stern action against those people, agencies, or persons who are involved in these nefarious activities. Last but not least, the Child Protection Welfare Bureaus functioning in all the four provinces should really make their efforts to enhance their institutional capacity as well as institutional capability. In this respect, that after the 18th amendment of Constitution of Pakistan 1973, child welfare, school education are the subjects which have been devolved upon the provinces. So the provincial governments really have to take instrumental steps in order to clamp down upon child labor nefarious practices. My name is Shirazaka, Advocate, Supreme Court. Thank you very much.